922 Stetson. So we are very close to be getting done. That's some rock there. Pretty much all of the once-over items were completed. So we have janitorial scheduled for tomorrow, and then early next week we're going to have the property manager come and walk it and see if we missed anything, see if something doesn't look right. Just usually there's a very short list of items of things that need to be addressed. Photos are taken, then it's put on the market. So we're getting very, very close. Also, today happens to be a holiday here. So some offices are closed. And things may be a little slower. Okay.